How to read WhatsApp messages with single tick. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. To make sure there's no double tick while you read the message, what you can do is simply scroll down the notification bar at the top. After that, turn on airplane mode. After you have turned on airplane mode, simply open WhatsApp. After you have opened WhatsApp, you can simply click on the chat and read the message. Another way what you can do is simply scroll down the notification bar and see the message from there. And this is how to read WhatsApp messages with single tick. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.